Hello guys and welcome back. So before we start this video on tracking files, did you notice we are on the master branch? We have an entire video on branching, but let's briefly touch on what they are and why Git gave us automatic branch name master. A branch defines an independent line of development. This is so critical because we want to have a branch where we can have a production ready application. And we also want to have a branch where all development has been done, even a branch for a bug fixes. You know in which branch production ready application will run on? It's the master branch. So the master branch is the permanent branch that is always going to reflect production ready state or should reflect production ready state. It is highly discourageous to do development in master branch. So we are going to touch more on that why in our branching video. But for now, let's get started in adding the files. To add a file in Git and to track the file, it is very simple. You just need to type git add and a file name. So let's say we wanted to track index.html for now. And definitely followed by git status. So I think you know why we did git status. Git status is to display the state of a working directory and the staging area. So it is little different now, as you can compare, right? So we did git status here, and when we did git status here, two of them are little different. And that's because we have told Git that we want to track index.html. And and of course there are multiple ways of adding file to tell Git that you want to track them. But before I show you that, let's talk about how to untrack a file. And Git actually tells us what to do. We just need to follow this command. It says git rm cached. So let's copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Excuse me for this. So it's git rm cached and the file name, the one that we have just tracked it. You just need to say copy, paste it. Perfect. Let's do git status. So you see it's again untracked. So now we have two untracked files again. So it'll be really great if there is a way to track both of these files, right? Because instead of doing git add, what we did right here, we did git add and then we said file name. Now for our case, it is just two of it. What if we have multiple? We just can't keep saying git add file A, file B, file C, right? So we wanted a way where we can actually track all of these files. And there is a way in Git that we can track both of it. So what we need to do here, we need to say git add and a character dot. So instead of individual file name, we can put this dot character. Perfect. And then this followed by git status. And now what you see is, and so git add this dot. And this command is really very helpful if you wanted to track all the untracked files. Thank you guys for watching this video.